Stop by and take a look at the 2010 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, capless fuel filler system, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.